Nice and easy. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what we came for right there. Yes sir, that's what we came for right there. Ooh, you had a weird hook set on this guy, babe. That's all that matters. Them circle hooks doing work. Look at the hook set on him. Look at that. You wouldn't have lost that fish. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, y'all give me 1 second. Where's the here they are. Would you get this out? Because those fish grabbers are better than these. I'm fixing to throw these away.
Really? I thought these were shitty.
These white ones suck. All right, there you go, baby. Grab the scale out, turn it on. All right. My wife just caught a nice redfish. Sierra, how you doing this morning? Oh, calm down, big boy. Okay, that is a slot red, 21 inches. Is it on pounds?
Yeah.
Yep. A little over 3 pounds. There you go, babe. Put that back in. Or we can leave this out. A little over 3 pounds. That's dinner right there. You want to get a picture with it, baby?
Yeah. Post it to the Facebook.
Put it on Facebook land. Make sure you squeeze this when you... And you can use my old nasty rag to put your hand under one side. Oh. Beautiful redfish. There you go, baby. Prop him up. Oh, good photo. Man. Oh, that's a better one. All right, there's your 3 options to choose from.